Here at Displace TV, we're rethinking the modern TV, trying to do away with some of the pain points that you have with TVs, such as mounting. And so we've come up with a vacuum mounting system, so you can basically use this system to suck the TV to any wall. We've also basically done away with most of the cables in your TV. And we found OpenBOM because we were looking for a tool that could help manage our parts as we grow into a production product. We were trying to manage files just on a Google Drive, and we were constantly writing over each other and losing history, and just had to manually manage everything, which is time consuming and causes problems. Buying OpenBOM and signing up was super easy. Everything is integrated, works great. I have a bunch of different subcomponents of our TV separated into different little projects here. That way I can assign these different projects out to different engineers. They can update it on their own machine locally and then update it into the Workspace Manager, and I can pull it down and then feed it into my main assembly. I like OpenBOM because it allows each engineer to go and work on what they need to work on and iterate and not have to constantly be updating.